Hello, hello. My name is Glennceria and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Well, guess what? We are in Vlogmas. Yay! That means that Glennceria Loving Hands will give you a video every day up until Christmas, December 25th. I am so excited. I have a lot of things planned for you. So let's get into this video. But before we go any further, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We have a lot to do today. Come on, let's get into this video. Okay, so we're going to start this video with a soap of the day. So the soap of today is Junie. And the reason why I picked this soap to feature for the first day is because we had made last week the salve of frankincense and myrrh. So this soap is made with frankincense and it's named Junie. So now we made the salve to go with this soap. And this soap contains organic cocoa beans and frankincense essential oil. Now you asking, what is cocoa beans? That is the cocoa bean from cocoa. So that's exactly what this is made from. See that? See all the chocolate in it? Excellent, excellent for your skin, and it's named Junie. Okay, so that's the featured soap for today. And every day for the month of December, I am going to feature one of my soaps that I have created and that are in my Etsy shop. Okay, all right. So let me move that out the way, and I have labels. Okay, that we're going to cut out for our salves. Our salves are here in this bag. I believe we made 7 of them. That's 4, 5, 6. Yes, we have 7. 2 ounce. And of course, they're naming them Junie. And in here is organic rose infused, right? And organic coconut oil, and the essential oils are frankincense and myrrh with 24 karat gold mica. Okay, so the first things we are going to do is, of course, take my paper towel and we are going to wipe them down to make sure that there's no oils in them. Okay, just wipe them down, and then we're just gonna let them air dry. Now, how I print off my sheet is just one whole complete sheet. You see that? One big sheet. Okay, and then I just cut them out. That, to me, is better that way. You know, this is the way I do things. I am so excited to do my first Vlogmas, guys. You think I'm able to do it? Come on, every day? Up until December 25th, I think I'm able to do it. Okay, so the first thing I do is cut it out. I take my time, I go just straight across. Maybe go to 6. There you go. Take your time. Put that over to the side. I'm pulling out my notes and things, what we need to talk about. The quote of today. Let me give you the quote of today since I have it out here. The quote of today is, season's greetings. We're in the month of December. Season greetings. Are you staying warm? Is it too cold for you? Have you started your Christmas shopping? Those are the questions. Are you warm? Take my ends off. You don't need much label, and everything, all the ingredients is on this label. So I don't need a back label. It's just a small jar. And then here come the tedious part. And this is why you see I wear in no nails. No fancy hair. I have to put these hands to work every day. Okay? Let me get something so you can see. Make sure you can see. There we go. And then I just place the label. I still need to cut it because it's just a little small jar, you know. It's only 2 ounces. So you just trim it up to where you need it to be. And then I take a piece of tape. Isn't that cute? I don't remember where I got it from. But isn't that adorable? It's a shoe tape dispenser. Adorable. I take a piece of tape, even though this is labeled and it's sticky, it's on there, it's not going anywhere. But I just secure it again with a strip of tape going over it. That's what I do. Let's open it up so you can see it. Okay? Smells really good. Let me show you again. Stop being so fast. There you go. And now we have the label. Okay? So now these will be in my Etsy shop tomorrow. Today, I'm probably busy. Oh, what should we do? I ordered some tubes, guys, to make some lip balms. So what I'm trying to do now is, you know, stock up my Etsy shop. Because now that I have a YouTube channel, I have more customers now. So I have to make sure that I have enough product for everyone. So I'm stocking up my Etsy shop as well now. So we're going to make some lip balms, okay? I think y'all like that. All right, so we got 2 down. Take your time, there's no rush. They smell really good. They really do. What's going on? What is going on? All right. See? All right, I won't bore you. I'll bring you back when I'm done. Okay, so we have 2 more to do. Let's do these 2 more. And then we could talk about why is it named Junie? Junie. So I'll tell you the story. My brother's name was Franklin, right? And in 1986, my one and only brother, Franklin, which we nicknamed him Junie. I don't know why they named him Junie. I never asked. Well, in a way, family name Junie. My family name is Glenny, Glenny. Well, anyway, in 1986, my brother was one of the first cases of HIV. And he passed away in 1986. That's when HIV was brand new. Nobody knew what it was. Everybody stayed away, taboo, all kind of different things was going on. My mother separated his utensils and drinking cups and isolated him. And, you know, we just didn't know. So I went home as an educator myself back then, and still is to this day. And I researched what was HIV and AIDS. And, you know, to educate myself better. So I understood and was able to take care of him. But anyway, Junie passed away. So about a year ago, I was thinking about him. And I said to myself, you know something? I think I'm going to make a soap dedicated to Junie. And then I started thinking about the ingredients and then what would you know, essential oil that would represent how I felt about my brother. He was a wonderful person. And I thought of frankincense right away. And I said, that makes sense. His name was Franklin. Frankincense is liquid gold, very spiritual, anointing. I know he's watching over me along with my ancestors. So, of course, it makes a lot of sense, guys. Take my glasses off so the ring light is not in your eyes and my lenses. Makes a lot of sense. You know? Turn it so I can see. There you go. So, and dedicated to my brother, I dedicated a soap. Now he has a salve to go along with his soap now. So now you know the backstory of Junie. Okay, Junie soap and Junie salve now. He was a very special brother, and I loved him dearly, my only brother. So Junie, this is dedicated to you. Much love. Guys, thank you for joining me. Vlogmas, I am so excited. So this is just the first video. We have what, 24 more to go. Have a great day, guys. Love you. Mwah. And I see you tomorrow. I don't even have to say I see you in the next video. I see you tomorrow, yes, in the next video. Love you and have a great day. Bye for now. Oh, let's look at them. Let me bring you down so you can see them again, okay? Sorry to shake you. I don't want to shake you. There you go. And I'll just back you up some. I just want you to see them. And I'll back them up. So we have our salve now. Okay, our healing salve with frankincense and myrrh and rose infused organic coconut oil. I think that is wonderful. What do you think? Okay. There you go. Love you guys. Have a great day again, okay? Junie in my Etsy shop. Go check it out. Happy holidays and welcome to Vlogmas.